Your party is actually openly advocating adding seats to the Supreme Court, which has had 9 seats for 150 years, if you don't get your way. This is a classic case of if you can't win by the rules, you're going to change the rules. Now, you've refused to answer the question. Joe Biden has refused to answer the question. So I think the American people would really like to know.
Well, that's a given.
They'll know my opinion of court packing when the election is over. The election is over. The election is over.
Bullshit.
Now look, I know it's a great question, and I don't blame you for asking.
He's a liar.
But you know, the moment I answer that question, the headline in every one of your papers will be about that.
Duh.
Think about that.